JRS Auto Detailing, we believe your car deserves more than just a shine. It deserves protection that lasts, and a finish that stands out. That's why we offer premium paint protection film. The Invisible Shield is designed to safeguard your investment. Our professional detailing team begins with precision prep. Every surface is thoroughly cleaned and decontaminated. Edges are inspected. Measurements are taken. Because with PPF, perfection starts with preparation. Once your vehicle is ready, we meticulously apply the film, panel by panel, ensuring it aligns with the unique curves and edges of your car. This isn't rushed. Every inch is worked with skill and attention to detail, because flawless coverage is our standard. And do you know how PPF performs? It acts as a durable armor, protecting your paint from rock chips, road salt, harsh chemicals, and UV damage. Even better, it has self-healing properties that correct light scratches with the sun's heat. That means your vehicle not only stays protected, but it also keeps looking brand new for years. At JRS Auto Detailing, our mission is simple: transform your ride and guard its value with care, precision, and professional pride. Looking for long-lasting paint protection that looks incredible and performs even better? Visit us at JRS Auto Detailing. Complete care. Total transformation. We're located in 3 locations. Contact us to know more.